Hey everybody, welcome to Understanding the Electronic Funds Transfers Act. This is obviously not a full breakdown, but it will give you just a little taste of what is in store for the EFTA. Okay, so I'll give you guys a couple seconds to pause and read the disclaimer, but here it is. All right, a little bit about me. As a chiropractic tools teacher, my common law journey started when I was in the 400s. Mentors Chris Joseph, aka Mr. CJU. I'm a consumer protection enthusiast, so I love studying these things so I can be a well-informed consumer. Assisted in over 1 million in deletions from Consumer Reports. I love working out, fitness fanatic, and I play PS5 a lot. So check me out, Silent Slayer 10, come lose, and some Call of Duty, NBA 2K25, and NCAA college football. All right, so here's the introduction. Okay, the Electronic Funds Transfer Act was enacted in 1978 to protect consumers when they engage in electronic funds transfers, or EFTs. It ensures consumers are more informed about their rights and responsibilities when using electronic banking services. Okay, the term electronic fund transfer means any transfer of funds other than a transaction originated by check, draft, or similar paper instrument, which is initiated through an electronic terminal, telephonic instrument, or computer or magnetic strip or magnetic tape, so as to order, instruct, or authorize a financial institution to debit or credit an account. Okay, basically any digital form of payment equals an EFT, right? So key points. Applies to the following transactions: ATM withdrawals, direct deposits, debit card transactions, credit card transactions, electronic bill payments. Okay. Why this matters: consumer protection, right? Safeguards consumers from unauthorized transaction, provides a framework for error resolution, giving consumers peace of mind, right? Transparency, requires financial institutions to provide clear information about fees, terms, and or conditions related to EFT services, right? Encourages trust. It builds trust between consumers and financial institutions by ensuring a secure electronic transaction environment. And significance in modern banking. With the rise in digital banking, the EFTA is more relevant than ever, protecting the increasing number of electronic transactions. All right, so some key provisions. Financial institutions must disclose terms and conditions before consumers starts using EFT services, including fees, account limitations, error resolution processes. This one right here is the major point of this whole thing. We'll get to that soon. Consumer rights. Right to receive a transaction, receipts, and periodic account statements. Right to dispute errors in unauthorized transactions. All right, error resolution. Consumers must report errors within 60 days of receiving the account statement. Financial institutions must investigate and resolve disputes within 45 days. Right? These are important. Keep those dates in mind. All right. Liability for unauthorized transactions. Limited consumer liability for unauthorized transactions, typically capped at 50. Okay. The burden of proof is on the financial institution in any dispute of unauthorized transaction. This is important. Understand this, you can understand a lot of things. Liability for an institution is any actual damages sustained by the consumer. Okay. Let me read that again. Liability for the financial institution is any actual damages sustained by the consumer. Okay. Really think about it, understand what this means. Okay. Any actual damages. Okay. Pre-authorized transfers. Requires for a written authorization and notification for pre-authorized transfers, such as direct debits and credits. It is federally protected that a consumer may stop any pre-authorized transaction. So anytime you guys ever come across a company saying, oh, well, you signed this, and our company policy says we have to keep charging the card on file. Nah. That is a lie. It's a federally protected statement, okay, or statute, excuse me. A consumer may stop any pre-authorized transaction. Okay, any company tries to tell you differently, then let me know. We definitely got a bag coming your way. All right. And transactions covered by the EFTA. All right. So basically, this is just a little sneak peek, of my EFTA course. Hope you enjoyed it. There'll be more in the mentorship. I can go over this with you guys another time.